Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Let's discuss the given question. If x equal to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta and y equal to a in bracket theta minus sin theta, then find the value of d2y by dx square. So guys, we use here key concept is second order derivative. Okay, so let's solve the question. That is x equal to, x is given that a in bracket 1 minus cos theta. So if we differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta equal to a in bracket 1 minus 1 derivative is 0, minus cos theta will be minus sin theta. So your derivative will be a into sin theta. Call this equation number 1. Similarly, what is the value of y here? Guys, y equal to a in bracket theta minus sin theta. Am I correct? Theta minus sin theta, yes. So guys, if we differentiate with respect to theta, dy by d theta equal to a in bracket theta derivative is 1 minus sin theta derivative will be cos theta. Okay, so call this equation number 2. So guys, from the equation 1 and 2, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. So substitute the values. Dy by d theta or dy by dx equal to a in bracket 1 minus cos theta upon a into sin theta. So guys, a will get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 into sin square theta by 2 upon sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. So 1 sin will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So your final answer will be dy by dx equal to tan of theta by 2. Okay, so this is the value of what is this value? Dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx will get tan of theta by 2. But guys, dy by dx equal to how much? Tan of theta by 2. So what is the value of d2y by dx square? d2y by dx square equal to tan derivative is sec square of theta by 2 into theta by derivative will be the 1 by 2. Okay, correct? Yes, into the theta by dx. So guys, 1 by 2 into sec square of theta by 2 whole divided by dx by d theta. What is the dx by d theta? That is a into sin theta. A into sin theta. So guys, is this your answer? Let's check the options, or we have to modify it. Yes, we need to modify it. Okay, so sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta, right? Yes, 1 by 2 into sec square theta by 2 can be written as 1 upon cos square theta by 2 2a into sine of theta. So is this your answer? Let's check the options. 1 upon (1 upon 2). Okay, let's check the answer once again. This is the tan theta by 2 we got. Yes, so derivative of second derivative tan square tan is sec square theta by 2 into 1 by 2 into d theta by dx, right? So guys, sec 1 by cos. Okay, so if we here do, so that sign can be written as cosec. Yes, 1 by 2a into cosec theta upon cos square theta by 2. So let's check, is this your correct option? Yes, 1 by 2a into cosec theta. Yes, 1 by 2 into cosec theta. Sorry, cosec theta upon 1 by 2 into cosec theta upon cos square of theta by 2. Guys, your correct option will be the C option. That is the cosec theta upon 1 upon 2a into cos square theta by 2. So this is our required d2y by dx square second order derivative. Right guys? So I hope guys everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.